G'day all you wonderful people, welcome to Adventure Together. My name's Al, trial name Lookout, and today we are still in the Sierras. We are still climbing up snow-capped peaks. We are still descending down valleys and crossing creeks. It's been a hell of an adventure so far. I am absolutely loving it. It is very tiring, very hard going, but the views are stunning. The team camaraderie is really good. And we're all looking forward to a day off pretty soon. We are closing in on the end of the Sierras. I don't know how long we've got left, probably another like 8 days, but we've got another 3 days, including today, in this section before we escape at Sonora Pass. So, once again, I am behind. Let's go catch everyone up. That tree is huge, or was huge. I wonder about the storm that took that down. First major creek crossing of the day. The first crossing was pretty easy, but the second crossing was 2 out of 5, would not recommend. There's no other way across other than to wade across, so I've already been, and here comes worth it. I wore my shoes when I went across, and now my feet are very cold. Worth it. Yeah. Super cold.
Yeah, super cold.
Hello Peter, how was your crossing?
Pretty easy. Just had to get wet feet. The log was submerged by maybe like 4 inches of running water. But other than that, it was a really thick, wide log with great stuff, so it wasn't slippery at all. So it felt really good.
Awesome. So now I've taken off my shoes. I've wrung out all the water from inside the insoles and the socks and the sock liners, and I've got my feet wrapped up in my fleece, which inside has Worth It's towel, so just try and warm my toes back up. So we got to a situation where we've got a river and there's no good place to cross, so now we're going to have to swim across a freezing cold meltwater stream. We're all really not looking forward to this. And this is it. Looks about 7 or 8 feet deep. And we're going to go and try and land on the beach to the other side and run up into the sun. Repacking bags to make sure that everything stays dry. What was that, Stitches?
I said I want to be in the bag. Put me in the bag.
And just transport you across all waterproof.
I was talking about
Yes, I am. There we go. All right.
You got it closed.
Loading device.
Here goes Worth It, our hero, going first.
It drops off here. Keep close to the log. Start to drop again. Big drops. Alright, have a bank to walk on. And this is where shit hits the fan. Alright, backpack. Every fucking go. It floats. You see it floats?
Yeah.
Fucking years ago. Alright. Point to that. Go for it. Hit it. Fucking hit it yet. Hard yeah. All good. Come on over.
Whew. I'm cold just watching him. Oh no. He makes it look so easy, but he's super trained in this, being that he's been in the military for 2 decades.
There's Lookout, getting ready. Look out, don't forget to try the pack first so you see that it floats. Just follow the log as closely as possible to the log. Yeah, that's good. Keep close to the log. That's good. Walk out. It's gonna get a little bit deeper now, but it's all right. You can take a few more steps. Look at me. Here's where you're going. And then you just kick off and kick with your legs. Go for it. That's great, man. Looking good. There's goal. Awesome. You have that if you need it. Yeah, there. Hold on. Awesome. You're up. You're straight up to the sun, man. Great job. Great job. Here comes the next ones. Great jackpot. Kick off and kick with your legs. Kick with your legs. Good. Work it. And here's that. Good job, man. Good job. Good job. Into the sun, into the sun. Okay, bushwhack, the same for you. You position yourself and then you look at me. Here's where you're going. Just kick off and start kicking with your legs. Go for it, man. And you have the trekking pole here. Kick, kick, reach for the pole. Good job, you didn't need it. Good job. Here come Pizza. Try your backpack first so it floats. Awesome. You send it, man. Go for me, go for me. Go for me, swim, swim. Come on, more. There's so much adrenaline, right? Man, woo. I almost lost my cross. Good job, everyone. Good job.
So we all got to the other side. We all survived. There's our hero. And now I'm in my sleeping quilt to keep warm because I'm absolutely freezing.
Yeah, geez, what a fat little guy. So cute. Oh, he's so cute.
a marmot right there.
Yeah. Well, I mean,
You think they'll dance?
I don't think so. They live on.
Badass guys, that's right.
So, what did everyone think of that creek crossing?
Best 4 hours of my life.
As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the trail has now become a river. Ladies and gentlemen, we've reached Wilmer Lake. We're climbing around at the moment, and I noticed that this little melt patch is a heart shape. How very romantic. Ladies and gentlemen, we have climbed round the wrong side of the lake, but you could say it was the right side, because we wanted to avoid this creek crossing. This is the creek we were going to have to cross if we'd followed the PCT. Sometimes you have to make your own way to stay safe. There's no way we could get into that without dying. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a very, very hard day so far. We are in our last 0.3 of a mile to camp, trudging over this endless deep blanket of snow. Feet are cold, feet are wet, shoes are wet, and the sun's out burning my skin, but it's all part of the adventure, and that's the main thing. To continue on our journey, we have to cross this raging river. We found a log, but it's very far down, so Peter has used 3 ice axes to climb down, and is now cutting away a step so that shorter members of our group can also get down. Here goes Peter. One down, 6 to go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the interior of the Green Palace, and the day is over. Finally, after so many dangerous creek crossings and everything else, the day is over. We all survived. We're all in our tents, and yeah, another day tomorrow at 3 AM start. For tonight, I've got my food boiling, or at least the water boiling for the food, and I'm in my sleeping quilt, and I'm going to eat and get this place ready for sleeping and get my head down. It's been a really, really long day, and we've really pushed. It was a really hard day, and I'm glad that we all got through it unscathed. But for now, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.